Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The Best Cross-Craft is probably one of the most versatile and innovative tools available today, offering a unique blend of functionality and user-friendliness that appeals to both beginners and seasoned professionals. Its robust construction ensures durability, while its intuitive design makes complex tasks surprisingly manageable, setting a new standard for what you can achieve in your creative endeavors. Whether you're looking to streamline your workflow, explore new artistic avenues, or simply find a reliable companion for your projects, this tool is engineered to exceed expectations and empower your imagination. Number 5. Meekoo 36 PCS Blank Wood Cross Cutouts. Unleash your creativity with these blank wooden crosses. They are made from durable wood and feature a double-sided surface, perfect for painting, staining, or decorating. Each piece is crafted in a unique cross shape with a smooth surface. They are ideal for all your DIY projects and decorative needs. These unfinished wood cutouts are blank, allowing you to easily add your own patterns. Create personalized adornments or use them for painting and writing. These handmade wooden crosses are wonderful choices for weddings, DIY crafts, gift tags, and painting projects. They will add a special touch to your decorations. You will receive 36 pieces of unfinished cross-shaped wood. This ample quantity ensures you have enough for all your crafting and decorating endeavors. What we like. You get a generous pack of 36 pieces, perfect for any large craft project. The durable wood ensures your creations will last. If you are looking for a bulk supply for a group activity or a large personal project, these are ideal. Their double-sided surface means more decorating space for your imagination. What people say. The quality of the wood is okay and take paint well. They'll look good. Exactly the size I was looking for. Painted, decoupaged, added embellishments and then made refrigerator magnets. Sold great at craft show. Good quality birch ply, very smoothly finished on both sides, no rough edges either. There were some scorched edges from the laser cutting, but they added some character to the otherwise pale wood. Number 4. JGFinds Cross Crucifix Charm Pendants. Get a great value with this 150 pack of Cross Crucifix Charm Pendants. You'll receive 50 of each color, antique silver, bronze, and gold tone. These charms are conveniently sized at 1 inch by 1/2 inch, making them ideal for all your DIY jewelry making needs. Each pack includes pendants in 3 beautiful antique finishes, silver, bronze, and gold tone, offering versatility for your designs. These are the perfect supplies for anyone looking to create unique and personalized jewelry pieces. With this generous supply, you can let your creativity flow and craft stunning necklaces, bracelets, and more. These pendants are designed with quality in mind, ensuring they will be a beautiful addition to any handmade item. What we like. This pack offers 150 charms in 3 classic finishes, silver, bronze, and gold. They are perfectly sized for DIY jewelry making. If you are a jewelry maker or looking to create personalized necklaces, bracelets, or earrings, these pendants are a fantastic choice to add a religious touch. What people say. Having the choice of 3 colors is a great option. Very lightweight as desired. Color throughout the product. Molded in one piece. Good size hole. They are the perfect size and weight. One detail that I appreciate is that they don't have rough, sharp edges. These are the best quality metal crosses in a size and thickness without being flimsy. Number 3. Winlyn Easter Cross Decorations Craft Kits. Get ready for a fun and meaningful Easter craft experience. This kit provides everything you need to create beautiful stand-up crosses. Inside, you'll find foam crosses in various shapes, colorful bases, and a wide assortment of stickers. We've even included pom-poms and rhinestone stickers for extra sparkle. Decorate your creations with a rainbow of colors, from bright fuchsia and yellow to calming blue and purple. The stickers feature classic Easter symbols like bunnies and eggs. The foam pieces are sized just right for children to handle easily. They are made from soft, safe EVA foam, perfect for young crafters. This kit is ideal for classroom activities, Sunday school, or VBS. It's a wonderful way to celebrate the resurrection and teach valuable lessons. Kids can personalize their crosses with the included alphabet stickers, adding a special touch. These finished crafts make wonderful decorations or thoughtful gifts. What we like. This is a complete kit for kids' Easter crafts, including foam crosses, stickers, pom-poms, and more. Everything you need is in one box for easy crafting. If you're a parent or teacher looking for a fun, engaging, and mess-free Easter activity for children, this kit is perfect for Sunday school or home. What people say. The Cross Craft is a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of crafting projects. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold and use for extended periods. The precision tip allows for intricate detailing and clean cuts. Number 2. Bright Creations Wooden Crosses for Crafts. Unleash your creativity with our wooden crosses. They are perfect for Easter crafts, religious events, or simply adding a touch of faith to your home. These come with stands for easy display. Elevate your special occasions with these beautiful wooden crosses. They are ideal for baptism centerpieces and religious gatherings, adding a sophisticated touch to any table setting. Each cross is designed with a sturdy stand for effortless stability. They are perfect for table decor and can be seamlessly integrated into any tabletop arrangement. Personalize these unfinished wooden crosses to match your unique style. They are perfect for painting, embellishing, and creating diverse creative projects. Our crosses come in 3 convenient sizes, offering flexibility for any project. Use them as pocket crosses or larger decorative pieces for party supplies or home decor. What we like. These wooden crosses come with built-in stands for easy display and are available in 3 versatile sizes. Their elegant design makes them perfect for centerpieces. If you need decor for religious events like baptisms or Easter, or simply want stylish tabletop decorations, these are a great option. What people say. The Cross Craft is a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of crafting projects. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold and use for extended periods. The interchangeable tips allow for different creative possibilities. Number 1. Juvale 3-pack unfinished wooden crosses. Discover endless possibilities with these unfinished wooden crosses. Their smooth surface is perfect for painting, staining, or adding your own personal touch to any craft project. Crafted from high-quality poplar plywood, these crosses are built to last. They offer a smooth finish, making them ideal for both crafting and decorative purposes. Add a touch of elegance to any setting with these versatile crosses. They work beautifully as centerpieces or as standing decorations for special events like Easter. This set comes with 3 wooden crosses, providing ample opportunities for creativity. They are perfect for DIY home decor or for crafting unique, personalized gifts. Their standing design makes them easy to place on tables or shelves. These crosses add sophistication to your space, whether used for decor or as part of a wall display. What we like. Crafted from durable poplar wood, these crosses have a convenient standing design for effortless display. You get a set of 3, offering great value for personal projects. If you enjoy painting and customizing your own decor, or need a few meaningful pieces for Easter or other occasions, these are a solid choice. What people say. The Cross Craft is a beautifully designed tool with an ergonomic grip that makes it comfortable to hold for extended periods. Its precision cutting head allows for intricate detail work, making it ideal for crafting projects that require accuracy. The durable construction ensures longevity, and the interchangeable blades offer versatility for various crafting needs. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.